Hey there guys, Artistic Nick here, thanks for the click. In today's drawing request video, I'm going to be drawing Mega Man. This was a request that was sent in earlier this week by Sonic the Artificial Hedgehog. I hope you like this version of Mega Man. It was a really cool drawing. Hope you stick around to the end to see how he finally turns out. And I'm also going to be asking you the question of the day. I decided to freehand the sketch in and actually record this. Quite often I do this off camera and I just start with the line work going in. But I've had a few people asking me exactly how I plot a drawing out and if they could see exactly how I do this. So I'm using a 2H Caran D'ache pencil for this. And what I basically do is I look at the reference image and I just try and break the reference image down into some simple shapes. So with Mega Man here, I had a round circle for the head. For the legs I had some triangular shapes, and then the body was a rectangular shape with his arms coming off. One thing to make sure that you're doing when you are looking at your reference image is try and line things up. So whereabouts does Mega Man's arm start in relation to the head? Whereabouts does Mega Man's arm on the left side come down from the chin? And how far up the arm does the leg start? And things like that. So just start by training your eye and looking to try and get it as accurately as you possibly can. And you will improve with every drawing. I'm using a high-tech pilot pen there to put the lines in. It's very, very fine line. It's even thinner than the artist pit pen, the Faber-Castell that I've been recently using. For the rest of the drawing, I'm using Copic Markers. And for the darker areas of the blue, so for the helmet, arms and clothing around the waist area, I used a sky blue. For the lightest areas, which were the legs and the body area, I used a frost blue. And then for the darkest areas of blue on the arms, head, as you can see now, I'm actually using an aquamarine, which is quite a dark blue. For the skin, I used a colour called yellowish shade. All in all, this drawing took me about 3/4 of an hour, so it was fairly easy. And as you can see, I've added my usual comic panel to the background. I've made sure that I've left Mega Man's legs sticking over the edge, just so that this gives this popping out look. I'm really enjoying the requests coming in, guys. You've been really great to me recently, so thank you so much for those. But if you have got any requests for me, you haven't requested a video before, don't be shy. Send me a comment down below and I will get around to drawing your image, the picture that you want me to do. Maybe it's a tutorial. So send them in the comments below. Don't forget to hook me up on social media. The links to all of my platforms are down below in the descriptions. I'm having a blast with the channel. It's really starting to take off. So thank you guys so much for your comments, likes and shares. They do mean a lot to me. There's the final Mega Man picture. I hope you like it and I'll see you guys in the next video. Hit subscribe, smack the notifications button, follow me on Facebook, Instagram and Twitter.